The giant-killing run by the West Indies at the ICC Women's World Cup in New Zealand continued on Wednesday when they beat defending champions England by 7 runs in Dunedin to record back-to-back victories. More in this report.
After winning the toss and choosing to bat, the Bayesian duo of Deandra Dottin and Hayley Matthews laid a solid foundation for the Caribbean side with an 81-run partnership in 121 deliveries. The duo's partnership comprised 3 sixes and 5 fours. But in came the spin of Sophie Eccleston, who changed the complexion of the game in the middle overs. She removed Matthews for 45 before Dottin was run out for 31, and the skipper Stefani Taylor was caught behind for a first ball duck. All of this took place in the 21st over to leave the Windies on 81 for 3. Kaisa Knight followed shortly after for 6 off the bowling of Eccleston to leave the Windies wobbling at 98 for 4.
Brilliant hands, that was a good catch.
But there was stability in the middle as Shemaine Campbell and the Jamaican Chidi Nation put on 123 runs for the 5th wicket to push the Windies over the 200 mark. Campbell got to a half-century but was bowled for 66. Another Jamaican in Chanel Henry was run out for naught, while Nation ended unbeaten on 49 as the Windies ended on 225 for 6. With the ball, the Windies continued their good work that they did against New Zealand as they had the World Cup champions at 98 for 5 at one stage. Hayley Matthews, Shamila Connell and Anissa Mohammed all chipped in with the wickets to pull the Windies within reach of a second victory. But England had other ideas as Sophie Dunkley and Danny Wyatt put on 60 runs for the 6th wicket as England ensured their required run rate never got over 5 and over. And then the West Indies took 3 wickets in 6 balls to draw the game back into their favour to leave England at 156 for 8. England now needed 70 runs to win from 91 balls. But they kept plugging away as Sophie Eccleston and Kate Cross found the gaps and clawed themselves within touching distance of victory. They now needed 9 runs to win from 18 balls. Vice-captain Mohammed was expensive in her previous spell, but she was entrusted with the ball to deliver, and she did. She ran out Cross for 27, and 3 balls later she bowled Anya Shrubstole to bowl out England for 218 and beat England for the first time at a World Cup. This was also the first time in World Cup history that the West Indies were winning their opening 2 games of a 50-over World Cup. The Windies will next be in action on Friday against India in Hamilton. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.